Good morning everybody, it's Miss Lawson from the nursery. Today we're thinking about measuring. So one of your tasks on our home learning activities is all about measuring, and I thought I would show you a little activity of me measuring some things in my house. You might spot Fergus in your activity, so see if you can see him. He was my helper today. So I have chosen something I'm going to measure. I'm going to choose this book. It's called Don't Put Your Finger in the Jelly, Nelly. This is a funny book, and it's also got some rhyming words. But today we're going to use this book to help us measure. Now, when we're measuring, we're going to measure how long the book is. So I want to measure the length of it. So I'm going to measure how long it is. And I need something to help me to work that out. So I have got myself some little ladybirds. So these are little ladybirds, and you can choose anything you like. It might be shoes like we were using earlier with Fergus, or it might be Play-Doh, or it could be something else that you find in your house, maybe cars or your toys. But what's really important is that all of the things are the same size. So I have to make sure the items I choose are exactly the same size. So I know that all of my ladybirds are the same size. I couldn't choose a ladybird and a model of Fergus and a pen, because they're all different sizes. I have to choose the same thing. So I'm going to start with my ladybirds, and I have to make sure that when I'm measuring, that I line it up right to the edge, and I don't leave any big spaces, because then I'll not know the true length of it. So I line them up nose to nose. I'm making a lovely straight line. So I'm going to measure how long the length of my book is. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 ladybirds so far. 5, 6, 7. I need to make sure that it's a straight line. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This one's back to front. 13, 14. So my book is 14. Oh dear, we've got a squiggly line. Let's check that it's definitely 14. Look, it's 13 and a half, really. So it's 13 and a half ladybirds long. So when I've measured my ladybird, I can check. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and half of this one is 13 and a half. My book is 13 and a half ladybirds long. So you can choose to measure anything that you can find in your house. If I have another go and I measure my ornament of Fergus, this time I might choose to use, I found some stock cubes in my kitchen. Now I can use these stock cubes because they're all exactly the same size. So that's really important when we're measuring. So let's see, I'm going to measure how many stock cubes long my ornament is. How many have I got? 1, 2. My ornament is 2 stock cubes long. So can you have a go in your house and see if you can find some things to help you measure? If you have a go, let me see how you're getting on. Good luck, everybody.